Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. Slide your feet back together and punch upward 4 times as you hop in place. Bend your knees and look down as you turn your fists in small circles on either side of your head, then jump up, bringing your feet up and extending your right arm straight up. Once you land, step over to the right with your right foot as you swing your right arm in a counterclockwise circle, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as your right fist comes near your right shoulder. Do the same in the opposite direction, then step back to the right with your right foot and shake your hips to the right, left, and left as you move your hands forward and down. Repeat all of these moves. Bend your left elbow to bring your hand up as you step in place on your right foot, then bring your right arm up a bit as you step behind your right foot with your left foot. Step over to the right on your right foot, then turn to the right as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step toward the camera on your left foot as you spin your left arm in a counterclockwise circle, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you spin your left arm in another half circle. Step back with your right foot as you spin your left arm in a clockwise circle, then bring your left foot back to meet your right foot as you clap up and to the right twice. Swing your left arm to the left as you step back on your left foot, then bring your right foot back to meet it. Swing your right arm to the left as you step over to the left on your left foot, then turn to the left as you bring your right foot over to meet it. Repeat counts 3 and 4 of this section in the opposite direction. Step over to the right with your right foot so that you are facing the camera again, and move your left hand in and down with your palm facing in and your elbow bent as you look to the right and bend your left knee to the left. Do the same in the opposite direction. Bring your right hand around in a full counterclockwise circle as you bend your left knee to the left again. Then look at the camera as you spread the fingers of your right hand out near the right side of your face. Bend your knees further as you move your right fist back, then straighten your legs as you swing your right arm in a counterclockwise circle above your head. Do this 3 more times. With your right hand near the right side of your face, spread your fingers and shake your hands back and forth 3 times, kicking back into the right with your left foot and looking to the right on the 3rd shake. Repeat Part 1. Repeat Section 1 of Part 2. Repeat Section 2 of Part 2, but instead of bringing the side of your hand up to your forehead, point to your lips with the index finger of your right hand. Repeat Section 3 of Part 2. Repeat Sections 1, 2, and 3 of Part 3. Bring your left foot back down and slowly swing your right arm in a large clockwise circle until you are pointing straight up. This should take 4 counts. Now turn to the right so that your back is to the camera and slowly move your right hand up with your thumb and index finger extended. This should take another 4 counts. Wait 1 count, then turn to the left so that you are facing the camera and bend your knees to the left as you bring your right hand, still in position, up to your forehead. Hold this pose for 1 count, then swing your right arm counterclockwise until it is straight up. Step over to the left with your left foot as you bring your right arm down, then bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step over to the right with your right foot as you bring your left arm forward and your right arm back, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Repeat this move in the opposite direction, then once again in the opposite direction. Hop in place, then bend over, extending your right arm down. Stand back up and move your right arm so that it is extended straight up, then step slightly to the right on your right foot as you bring your right hand down near your face with your palm facing out. Bring your left hand up so that it is perpendicular to your right hand as you step over to the left a bit with your left foot. Bend your knees as you lower your right hand. Lower your left arm as you bring your right knee up, swing your right arm up and back and look in the same direction, then bring your right foot down before repeating this move on the left. Bend over again and extend your right, then left arm down. Keeping your hands together, stand up and bring your hands up, bending your elbows as you do so. Step over to the right a bit with your right foot as you bend your elbows to bring your fists in near your chest and angle your left elbow up and your right elbow down. Step over to the left a bit with your left foot as you switch the positions of your arms. Step in place on your right foot again as you extend your left arm up into the left and your right arm down into the right, then step in place on your left foot as you switch the positions of your arms. Turn slightly to the right and bring your left foot up as you punch up with your right, then left fist, then bend down and lower your arms. Swing your arms out and up as you stand back up. Place your left hand on your right wrist, then tilt your head back a bit and bend your knees as you slide your left hand down your right arm. Keeping your left hand on your right arm, extend your right arm over to the left as you step over to the left with your left foot, then move your right arm straight over to the right as you step over to the right with your right foot. Lower your arms and spin to the left on your left foot until you are facing the camera again. Repeat the first 16 counts of Section 3 of Part 2. Then bend your right knee inward and move your right hand down to point at the camera. Spread your fingers, then curl them inward before pulling your fist in near your right shoulder. Repeat Sections 1 and 2 of Part 3. Repeat Section 3 of Part 3, but point straight up on Forever, then repeat the last 4 counts of Section 3 of Part 3. Repeat Part 1. Bring both arms in,
Then move them up and out, then down as you bring your left knee up slowly and step over to the left. While turn to the left, kneel down on your right knee and extend your right then left arm down into the left as you look down. Bend your elbows to bring your hands up to the back of your head, then lower your arms as you look straight up. With your right hand on your hip, look at the camera and extend your left arm straight out to the left. Put your left hand on your hip and turn your head in a clockwise circle. Bring your left knee down so that you are kneeling on both knees, then kick out toward the camera with your right foot. Stand up and spin to the right until you are facing the camera again. Kick your right foot in a large clockwise circle, then, after you bring your foot down, swing your left arm down from right to left before swinging your right arm from right to left to bring your right fist up near your face when you stand back up. Uncurl the fingers of your right hand as you move it out and down. Step in place on your left, then right foot, then extend your right arm straight out toward the camera as you look back. Look back at the camera as you bring your right hand to your forehead with your thumb and index finger extended.